What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2003 Pontiac Grand Prix GT, and I'm going to show you how you can program new remotes for this car and also the new key. Actually, I have two. I'm going to show you how you can program the keys without the scanner. So for this you need a working key. This is the original, and let me give you a quick example that it's not gonna turn on if you have the anti-theft on. The security will flash and the car will turn off. As you can see, we have the security light on, and I'm gonna try the other key, the original. We're gonna watch the security light go off, and that's gonna allow us to turn on the car. So you need a working key to do this procedure. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna wait 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and quickly I'm gonna switch to the key that I want to program, and we see the light went off, and boom, key is programmed. Just easy like that. And the next step I need to do is we're gonna program remote keys, the fobs for this car. So as you can see, it's not programmed to the car. So let's jump to the park and keep watching. Okay, so to program the key fobs on this car, the new ones, we have to remove this. First of all, you have to open the glove box, and you're gonna see this piece of plastic here. It says pull for fuse. So we're gonna pull really hard, and we're looking for the fuse number 10, this one, and that's the BTSI. So we're gonna pull the fuse. Let me just pull it, hold on. Alright, so once the fuse is already out, we're gonna go ahead to the driver's side. Let's go. Alright guys, so once we are in the driver's side, we need to close the door, make sure it's closed, and we're gonna insert a key, and then we're gonna pull. Instead of going forward, we're gonna go backwards once. So we're gonna go 1, off, and we're gonna leave it back, open the door and close it, and you're gonna hear a beep, but you have to do this really quick. So I'm gonna try to do it really quick. I'm gonna try it one more time. All right, let's go. So you hear that beep, and you hold, and then the other remote. Okay, so you heard those beeps. So now we should be able to test the remote. Let's see if it works. As you can see, both remotes are working. So this procedure must be done really fast. Once you're done with this, you can put the fuse back, and there you go. You have new key fobs, new keys, and I'll leave the link in the description where I got these keys, which really worked really nice. So check the description down below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, guys. Check on the notifications on, and also check the other videos. If you have any questions too, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next episode, guys. All right, JVFIX out.